Hi you guys, welcome to Diva's Dishes Cooking Show. So what we got cooking on tonight is, you guys, I'm doing chicken legs and chicken thigh. I'm frying. And also I'm doing Rotel dip. If anybody don't know what Rotel dip is, I use these cans right here to make my Rotel dip. They have diced tomatoes and green chilies in them. And this is what you usually use to make Rotel dip. They have the off-brand can that don't say Rotel, but I think it just says something like diced tomatoes with chilies and green with tomatoes, like diced tomatoes with chilies in it, but it got another name that don't say Rotel. It's kind of like an off-brand, but this is the real brand, the original brand Rotel dip that you use to make Rotel dip. So I have 4 cans of these, you guys. Okay, and like I said, I got my chicken legs. I already cleaned them and washed them. I'm doing fried chicken legs and chicken thighs. So let me drain the rest of this water off of it. I drained it off, but it look like a little more is coming out of the chicken. So let me pour all it out, and I'm gonna get the seasoned chicken, you guys. Okay. I drained the rest of the water. Let me get my seasoning. Okay. Okay. So what I have here, I have a Lawrence seasoned salt. I'm gonna put in here. No, it's not open. Let's have. Oh, we don't have that part. I'm sorry, you guys. Anyway, I have my seasoned salt. Make sure this ain't turned up too high. Okay, I'm gonna start seasoning my chicken. I just eyeball it. I don't measure really. So everybody uses different seasons, so I'm just using what I use. I'm gonna do a little parsley, you guys. I'm gonna put a little in there, so I'm gonna use all this up. I ain't had no more little in there, so I use all of it. And if I sound funny, I am hoarse. So with my computer, after you play it, after I send this, my voice might sound real strange, but just know, you guys, that from the strep throat I had the other day, I'm better, but my voice gave out yesterday a little bit, but it's trying to come back, so I'm still hoarse. So we have garlic powder that I'm about to put in here on the chicken. So like I said, I just eyeball, so just put how much seasoning you like on your meat. And I have onion powder that I'm gonna put on here. I don't know where it's hard like this. So I put my onion powder on there. And I'm gonna use also some oregano, crushed oregano. And I'm gonna use some Italian seasoning. I mean, you don't have to use what I'm using. You can put in whatever kind of seasoning you want in your chicken. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste good. I don't put the same seasoning on my chicken every time I cook it. I just go in how I feel that day. And I'm also gonna use, I have a little bit of this stuff. I'm gonna use all this. It's probably not even a whole teaspoon, tablespoon. So this is chicken seasoning. It's really good. I'm gonna have to go get me some more of this tomorrow. And they probably sell it at Walmart, but the only place I seen it was in the Save a Lot. But they might sell it. I really didn't pay attention because Walmart has so much seasoning. But if y'all can just try this on y'all chicken, it's good on any poultry food, pork chops or whatever fish. It's called chicken seasoning though. It is so good. So I'm gonna put all that on there because it's only a little bit left in here. Discard it. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands again. I already washed it before I film. I'm gonna wash it again. Okay. I'll take the towel, dry my hands. Hold on, you guys. See what they want me to know. Tell them they can't keep running me out here.
No, Junior gotta come inside.
For what?
He calls the girl H word.
He gotta come inside. He ain't know his mom. Call what girl H word?
Call Miss Sylvia Daughters.
Tell him come sit on the porch now. Go, go. Y'all get on my nerves. Go. Y'all can come upstairs. Go sit down. Go tell Jay to come in the house. Go on. Go upstairs. Go tell Jay to come in the house, one. Go upstairs. You don't know how to act, you go upstairs. No, go upstairs.
Come in?
Yep, Jay, come in. I'm sorry, you guys. I had to deal with my children for a minute. They know I played it. But anyway, I put my seasoning on my chicken, so I'm going to blend my seasonings in. See, this is real life over here. I'm trying to film, then they coming in. As soon as I start filming, they want to act crazy and stuff. So guess what? If you don't know how to act outside, just go upstairs and watch TV. I don't have no problem with it. Go upstairs and watch TV. I'm going to put a little more seasoning on here. Seasoning salt on here. I'm going to go in just with a pinch of cayenne pepper. Okay, wash my hands again. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. No worries. I should have been took it out. Need my flour. Okay, I know about flour. Oh. Things that you need over here. Oh, here goes. Got it. Got it, y'all. I knew it was somewhere. Okay. It's just some regular all-purpose flour to fry my chicken with. And I don't like really putting my flour in a bowl because the bowl is wet from the chicken. And then when you get through frying the chicken, you know, you can do it, but it'll be hard to get all that, when you wash your bowl out with flour, because it'll be stuck to the bowl because of the moisture from the chicken, the water from the chicken with the flour. So I use the bag. See, I'm country. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. My great grandma raised me. We use the bag, the flour out stuff in the store. Let me get a bag, you guys. That's why I save all my store bags. So I'm gonna double bag these 2 bags. And I'm gonna pour my flour in here. Just pour how much you think you'll need. I'm gonna pour like almost half of the bag because it's a lot of chicken, kind of like a lot of chicken going on right here. And I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna start putting my chicken in. You can season your flour if you want to. I'm not gonna season my flour because I have enough seasoning on the chicken. But if you want to season your flour, I do it sometimes. You can do that. But I'm not gonna do it today. Because like I said, I have enough seasoning on my chicken. And then the way you can tell if your grease is ready for your chicken, just get a little flour in your hand like this. And you kind of hit it. If it don't fry hard, to me your grease is not hot enough. Mine's not fry hard enough, so my grease is not hot enough to put the chicken in. So that's how you can tell if your grease is hot enough. So I'm kind of just like working the flour around the chicken. See, I like using bags too because you ain't got to use your hand with all that flour because you all stuck on your hands and stuff. Oh my God. Especially if you got on got your nails done or false nails, which these are my real nails. I just have one over there. They grew up. But anyway, I wear false nails too, but I'm just saying, you got your nails done and stuff, you don't want all this stuff cooked on your nails and stuff with flour and stuff. So this is a good way to do it with a bag. Okay. It's getting there because I hear it bubbling. Yes, you guys, Rotel dip. I haven't had that in a while. I mean, Rotel dip is so freaking good. I love Rotel dip. I learned that from Memphis, Tennessee way before I came to Louisiana. My cousin, Tara Fulton, Tracy Fulton, Casey Fulton, Trisha Fulton, all of them, Darlene Fulton stuff used to cook Rotel dip all the time. Shawanda Fulton, all my cousins. So I used to be over their house all the time, different people over different people's house, different cousins' house. And I used to watch them cook certain stuff, so they used to always, especially my cousin Tara, she used to always cook Rotel dip. So basically, that's what I really, really learned from her. My cousin Tara Fulton. Okay. I think our grease kind of ready, you guys. And it be so hot in the kitchen. So today, I'm prepared. But for some reason, it's not that hot in here, so I don't want to speak too fast and start dripping sweat everywhere. Because I be sweating, I be up here, but I'm not sweating today for some reason. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus, for that. When I did a video earlier, I was trying to figure out what I was going to wear, that blue dress I said I was going to keep on. I changed clothes, so I have this on. It don't have no split in it. It's not long. It go past my knees and it stops right past my knees. But it's a nice little fitted dress and stuff, and it fit me and fit my body well. So this one rocking with today. So I changed clothes, guys. So anyway, let's get this chicken in here. So you kind of shake that excess flour off, you guys, and just, I lay mine the back down with the skin, skin down. Well, you can cook how you want to cook, but I just do mine skin down first. My backs, I mean. Thighs, backs, or whatever, I lay skin down. Okay, I'm going in my leg. Make sure you shake that excess flour off, because it'll burn your grease real quick. So, and this is the only grease that I got that I put. I thought I had more than this, but it's enough to fry this chicken. I ain't trying to let it burn, so I can run back to the stove and get some more. So make sure you shake that excess flour. See how I'm doing? Yeah. I'm shaking it out. And don't overcrowd your pan too much, because you want your chicken to fry and need breathing room to fry. If you overcrowd it, it's gonna sweat, it's not gonna fry. And it's just gonna be a hot mess. It's gonna have some oil. When it eventually do fry, you're just gonna have a hot mess of oily chicken. You know what I'm saying? So don't overcrowd it. So I think I'm gonna leave mine be right there. I got 5 pieces in here. I could probably squeeze one more to make 6, but I'm just gonna leave it like this with 5 pieces. Wash my hands again. Oh my God, y'all. Okay. So much stuff in my cabinet. I don't have no room for nothing. I already have so many canned goods. It's crazy. Okay. What we got going on now? I'm gonna move this to the side. So we got our chicken frying. So what we have in this pan right here, you guys, we have the ground meat for our Rotel dip. So I had like a half of a stick and a little small little amount, not even a half, that I had in the freezer, and I kind of unthawed it. And I'm finna use this right here to make my Rotel dip with.
Nah, sir.
You can't go outside. You go get what? What stuff?
Somebody's drawing people.
Go serve. Man, go serve. Did you fit? You go serve. Okay, and I'm sorry, you guys. And like I said, this is the ground meat we're gonna fry. So I'm gonna start frying. I'm so sorry. See, ooh, these little bad little jokers. Okay, I turn my pot off. Let me get my spoon. I don't really need this big. This is big to get the chicken out. I'm gonna get a little eating spoon to get my chicken out and stuff with the turn it over. Use this right here to turn my chicken over. So I'm just kind of gonna break this ground meat up a little bit. Make sure you break it up before it starts frying, because if you don't, it'll fry and it'll be real hard to break up. You'll have big old chunks. So kind of like what I'm doing, kind of break it up. And as it fry, break it up. Okay. And also, I got me some tortillas for the Rotel dip. I mean, I buy different brands. Sometimes I go to Walmart, sometimes I go to Dollar General. So just went to Dollar General, grab these right here. They only $1. But the ones I get from Walmart, they're the big bags. I forgot to name them. They're kind of like the Mexican kind. And they like $2. They're $2 a bag, and the bag kind of a little taller. But these right here good too. I haven't tried these many kinds. These are the restaurant style. Clover Valley restaurant style. They only $1. It's a nice size bag for $1 at Dollar General if you want some cheap tortillas. You know what I'm saying? But it don't matter. I don't pay $3 or $4 a bag. It don't matter. They all taste the same to me. Unless you get the corn kind or the flour kind. it don't taste much different. What I'm saying, it's not gonna be like nasty or nothing like that. They chips. Okay, so we got 2 bags of these. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my knife. We got the ground meat on. I'm gonna get my knife. We're gonna start chopping these. You don't have to do this. We're gonna start chopping onion, bell pepper. I already cleaned my bell pepper and I already cleaned my jalapeno peppers because when people go to the store, they touch on vegetables, see which one they want to squeeze. And you know, this hygienic. That's a hygienic thing. You never know what people touch before they came here. You never know if they sneeze or anything. So make sure you, I always just stress that, make sure you clean your vegetables. Wash your vegetables when you get home. Even if they say they already been washed, I still wash my vegetables. Unless they onion and stuff like that, you got to peel off, I don't wash them. And like lemons, I wash that. You know what I'm saying? So wash your vegetables. So anyway, this optional. You don't have to put onion or bell pepper or jalapenos in your Rotel dip because it already got seasoned in it like that. But this is just what I do. I don't do it all the time. I do it sometimes. But I'm going to do it today because that's what I got to taste for. More onion taste. And I have the mild kind. And the mild kind don't even, it's not hot at all. I think, yeah, I don't think I have a hot kind. Yeah, just the mild kind. And it's not hot at all. So I like a little spice. So this is why I'm putting the jalapeno peppers in. And this just like, this wasn't a whole onion. This was a half an onion that I had in the refrigerator. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that off. So I'm just dicing my onion up, guys. And I'm going to go in. I might not use both of them jalapenos. If I don't, I'm going to use the biggest one first because they're pretty big. And I don't want it hot. I just want it spicy, kind of spicy. So some people like the seeds. I always clean the seeds out of mine because that's what make it real hot, the seeds. And like I said, I don't want it hot. I just want it spicy. So I'm going to clean the membranes out. All this stuff right here, take that out, the inside of it, cut it in half. And you'll just have these dice. You can dice it how big you want it. I don't like mine big, and I just like mine like diced small. I don't like them in chunks, what I'm trying to say. That's a nice size. And our chicken is frying. You can hear it frying, you guys. So I'm gonna do my bell pepper. I got my eye. I almost got my eye. Okay. How much bell pepper you want, it's up to you. I probably use like half of this bell pepper. I'm not going to put the whole bell pepper in there. Yep, and how was you guys' day? I've been having a pretty good day so far. Except for y'all heard me hollering at the 2 little boys. Yeah. But that's not making my day bad. You know, if you're a parent, you're going to have to do that with them little ones. Anyway. Yeah. You got to keep them in check. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not actually gonna use the second jalapeno pepper because the first one you seen it was huge. It was like twice this size. So that's enough, I think, because I don't want it hot because I have small kids eating it. I just want it kind of a little spice to it. So we're gonna check in on our ground meat, you guys. And it's cooking. As you can see, it's cooking. It's cooking, so okay. Now I'm gonna get my can opener. I have my can open. I'm about to open these 4 cans of Rotel dip. I haven't used a electric can open so long. Is it plugged up? Oh my God. Come on. What do I know what I'm doing? I'm not thinking that anymore. Wayne, come here. What? I never used this.
No.
What's wrong with the can open?
Come on.
This one. I was checking on my chicken. It's already closed up.
We're power. We're the power.
That right there don't work. I don't know what's wrong with the socket. Do you think I had plugged it over there?
No, it's because you wanted it.
I did.
You can't play it. You can't go. I mean, tape. You gotta reset it. See, the computer does do everything here that will do.
You see?
Hold up.
Just bring it around this way and try it. What is you doing? Bring it around this way and try it.
No, I'm going to plug it right there.
Nah, it don't work over there. Bring it around this way. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm trying to see what's wrong with this electric can over, but I ain't got time to wait to see what's wrong.
Yeah, just push it all the way.
Oh, you see?
Yeah, power. Try it out.
Okay, we got it, yeah.
Sit down, man. Go sit down. Go down! You're going to knock the computer out. Go sit down.
Okay, we got 1 can open, guys.
If you ain't got the thing pushed in all the way, it's not going to work. You ready?
Yeah. Open up the second can. Okay, that made me get a little sweaty right there. We're not going to open these cans. Okay. Our chicken is frying. Okay. 1 more can. How much you at, crazy? Last can. Okay. Done with that thing. Okay. Let's check on our ground meat, you guys. See what it's doing. Okay, it's still frying. Go back over there. It's still frying. So, we can't put the Rotel in yet. me wash this can off. Yep, so Rotel dip is so easy to make. So once that ground meat get through frying, you guys, when you drying your grease, and all thing you're gonna do is put your Rotel dip inside there and add your cheese. So right here what I have, right here is what I have. I have Velveeta cheese, Velveeta shredded cheese, and I also have some sharp cheddar shredded cheese, and I also have some mild cheddar shredded cheese, and I also have another pack of Velveeta Mexican cheese. So I have 4 packs in all, you guys. But the thing about it, I never used these kinds right here before to make Rotel dip. The kind that I usually buy is the block cheese. They come in a look. I had it before. I think I've had it on one of my cooking channels before. Anyway, come in a block like this, and they have the Velveeta kind. It's you can buy it at Walmart on the grocery aisle, like when they have the little stuff that you make your the pizza kits with and stuff like that. It's on that aisle right there, but it come in a little box like this. It's called Velveeta. That's what people usually use to make Rotel dip. It's just a block of cheese. It's the same thing. But today I want to try something different, and I have these bags of cheese, and I've been having them in the refrigerator like about a week and a half to 2 weeks. They're still fresh, so I say I want to go ahead and use instead of buying the Velveeta cheese that I used to buy in the block. So I'm going to use those 4 bags. I mean, cheese to cheese. Okay. So our chicken is frying, looking good. It's smelling good too. So it's still frying. So like I said, you can use a pack of cheese like I just have. I just showed y'all, or you can buy the block cheese. It's up to you. That's what I usually buy, the block cheese, and also they sell it at Save-A-Lot. They don't have the Velveeta kind. It's another name brand. It's called with an M or something like that. It's okay. I tried that before when I just didn't want to pay that high money for this $7 for this stick of cheese. I said I'm gonna get some from Save-A-Lot. They had the little block just like that. And I said I'm gonna try it. It was okay, but the thing about it, when it melts, the cheese is like a little on the watery side. Like when I make my Rotel dip, I don't like my cheese like soupy. I don't like that. I like mine's kind of like, I dip my chip in it. It's kind of thick. It's just a little loose, just a tiny bit loose. I don't want it real loose. And so the cheese, as far as I'm saying that Save-A-Lot, it's okay to use if you just want to be on a budget. You don't want to spend that those $7 or $8 for the stick of Velveeta cheese. You can get that kind, and then what you can do is just use the whole stick. You don't have to use the whole stick. Yeah, use the whole stick and just try to cook your dip longer so it can thicken up. And then after it cooks, make sure you let it sit for about 10 minutes so it can thicken. That's what I did when I used it. I used it 2 times before, but I really don't. After that, I haven't been buying it anymore because I just don't like the consistency of it. And also when I use it, I put in, they like that hook cheese, that thick hook cheese that come in a little block at Walmart. You can buy it at any store, probably. I mostly shop at Walmart. Hook cheese, and I put a half of that inside the Velveeta dip cheese, and then thicken it up too. So you can do that too. Yeah. And I think I have some. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about so y'all can know. Yeah. Just a little hook cheese like this to come in a little pack. Yeah. And you can just use the half of that pack and put it inside the cheese, and they'll help thicken it up. Okay, our chicken is frying. Chicken is still frying, you guys. It's not done at all. It's still frying. Okay, we're gonna go in over here and check on the ground. so I can hurry up and get this plated for you guys. I'm not gonna fry all this on camera, all this chicken on camera. Only thing I'm really need to do is get this bash out the way and get this ground meat fried, and I can pour the Rotel dip, cans of Rotel dip over here, put the cheese in here, and put my vegetable in here or whatever, and plate it up and show you how the finished look. And I'm gonna fry the rest of the chicken off camera because I don't want to have y'all watching me fry all the chicken. Huh? Oh, this alright. You want it?
Red ice bag here?
Yeah. I'm just frying up the ground. It's almost done frying. So what I'm gonna do, we got a whole lot of juice in here. That fat, I'm gonna run some of this fat out and it'll fry fast. You can use a strainer. I'm not gonna use my strainer because I have a plastic strainer, and I don't want to take a chance in melting or anything like that. It's thick plastic, but still I don't want to take a chance. I don't have an iron strainer. I have two plastic strainers. So you can use your iron rice strainer if you want to. But I kind of do mine like this anyway. I'm used to doing it like this. And then get much fat out as you can. So I got the fat off of it. Now it's gonna fry quicker. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my onions up in here. My onions and my bell pepper and my jalapeno pepper. I'm gonna put that over in the ground meat where it's finished frying. So these vegetables right here, I'm adding to it so they can kind of saute just a little bit and get that flavor in the ground meat that I want. I'm gonna kind of stir it in. It smells so good. You can, my stove clean, I'm putting these peppers right on back in there to fill out. But you can smell the jalapenos and the bell pepper and the onion already. So you see how my ground meat look? See, I told you make sure you dice it up. You don't want to like mince look. You don't want big old thick chunks either. I mean it's dip. You make it Rotel dip. It's up to you if you want to add a little seasoning in there to get it. So I'm going to add just a little bit of seasoning, guys. Just a little. So I'm going to add a little seasoning salt, just like a pinch. I'm going to do a little onion. I'm doing a little crushed oregano. I'm going to do a little Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning, guys. And I'm going to do a little garlic powder. I don't use onion, salt, or powder. I don't use onion, salt, or garlic salt. I use the powder base because it's less salty than I have high blood pressure. I can't eat all the salt, so I go through this powder and stuff. It's up to you if you want to put like some, I have red crushed peppers and also I have the, red crushed peppers. I also have cayenne peppers. I'm not going to use any of that because I have the jalapenos inside here already. But sometimes when I don't add the jalapenos, I put a little crushed red pepper or cayenne pepper. And you just stir it up. It smells so good, you guys. And I'm going to come around and show you how my meat looks. Make sure y'all can see it good. This is how my ground meat look. It's finished frying. You don't see anything red or anything. The meat is fried. Let me fix my screen. I hate when dark. Okay, it went back light. This video is 34 minutes. We gotta hurry up because I really don't like to go over 30 to 35 minutes. So we're gonna put our Rotel dip in here. Just pour it over in there. See how it's diced up. Discard these cans. I'm gonna get close up vision to show you how it looks. See? That's how it look in the can. We're gonna put our last can in there. We're gonna discard that. Tomato fell out. Put that right back on in there. You just kind of stir it around so everything can blend. And that's your Rotel dip. I'm going to show it to you again up close. This is your Rotel dip, but you're not finished with it. But this is your Rotel dip. The only thing you got to do next is add your cheese in and let it cook down. This is your Rotel dip. I'm going to pour just a little bit of this tomato juice out. You don't have to, but I'm going to pour it out because I'm trying to make this video quick and I like my cheese real runny. Because the more liquid you have in it, the more runny your cheese is going to be. So make sure you pour some of that liquid out. Yeah, I poured a whole lot of Rotel juice out of there. You can do it before you, with your cans, just kind of tip it over. That's why I should have did, but I'm trying to hurry up because my video is going overtime, what I want to go over. So, you can do it like that. You know, when you open your cans, just pour the liquid out of the Rotel can. But I poured it off my meat. Because like I said, the more liquid you have, the running your cheese going to be. It's not going to be as thick. Let's check on our chicken. Looking good. Now it's frying. You know the first batch gonna take a minute. Because that's fresh grease too. The first batch I always take a minute. But watch out if I put these second and third batch, it's gonna be frying just like this. Okay. Now, you guys, we're gonna go in with our cheese. So I'm gonna use a Mexican kind first. I want my stove all the way up. Yeah. I'm gonna use a Mexican Velveeta. So I use that whole bag. Remember, you can use a block cheese, what people usually use, a Velveeta block cheese for their Rotel dip. But I'm going to use this today just to try it out. Because like I said, I freestyle cooking. I like experimenting and trying new things. And I'm going in with my Borden's mild fine cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. Okay. Oh my God, it looks so good. It's a big old pot of Rotel dip, but guess what? I got a big family, so, and they love when I make Rotel dip, y'all. Chicken looking good. Make sure you just keep an eye on it. Trust me, I'm keeping an eye on it, washing this dip and washing chicken. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with our mozzarella cheese. Our Velveeta mozzarella cheese. Velveeta mozzarella cheese is gone in. Just stir to blend all that cheese evenly everywhere. I just used 3 bags. So stir to blend it in. Everything should blend in because it's not the same cheese, but that's the thing gonna make this taste so good, I think, because like I said, I just used the one block and it's only that one stick of cheese, not different other kind of styles of cheese. And this different styles of cheese, so I'm dying to see how this dip tastes. I know it's gonna taste like Rotel, but I wanna have the cheese taste for the taste instead of me just using one stick of Velveeta cheddar cheese. And I'm using different kinds. So now I'm going in with the sharp cheddar, Kraft sharp cheddar, shredded cheese, you guys. So I went in with it. Oh my God, look at this. It smells so good. The Kraft, as soon as I put that in there, boy, you smelled it. Oh, you can smell all the cheese, the different cheese. Oh my God. I done did it again, y'all. Like I said, I freestyle cook. I never did my Rotel dip with shredded cheese. This is my first time. But guess what? And I like the way the consistent is. And it's actually better too, the consistent. It's much more thick. You don't have to keep like cooking it for a long time or let it sit up too long. It's just, and look how thick that is. Look at that. That's what you call dip. And I'm gonna show y'all this, get it up close. I'm gonna let it cook down for like 5 more minutes, and I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna plate it up and end this video. Look at that. Now that's what you call Rotel dip. Look at this, you guys. Look at that. Looks so good, you guys. You get your little tortillas and you just, oh, yeah, you just go in with it. Look at that. Look at that. That's what you call Rotel dip. A big pot, baby. Yep, Martha Stewart ain't got nothing on Diva's Dishes cooking show. Yeah. I don't think she probably got us a fan in her kitchen. Let me discard this, a fan in her kitchen, keep that sweat off her, but guess what? I don't mind sweating when it comes to cooking. I love cooking. I don't mind sweating. I don't like it, but I don't mind. I ain't sweat bad as I used to sweat though. So let's check on our chicken, you guys. The chicken is cooking. The dip's still cooking. Can you get my plate? Yep, so y'all have this plated up. Then I'm gonna finish this other chicken for my family. Then I'm gonna shoot these videos to you guys. Shoot them to you tonight. You know what else I'm gonna do? The chicken almost too frying. You hear your chicken, the frying slowing down? That means it's almost it's finished. It's finished cooking basically. So just wash it. Let me just I'm gonna put some of this hook cheese in there just to get a little more thickness. I hate the top piece of the cheese. And my son opened this and he should have put it in a plastic thing. You know how I get like dark browns? I put that out, throw it away. I don't like that part. I'm gonna put this rest of the cheese in a sandwich bag. So it won't get, you know how like it won't get hard. Well, you cut off it, I hate it. So look at that, you guys. Nah, baby. Diva's Dishes cooking show is about to go down. Yes, it's about to go down. Look at this beautiful chicken. These are gonna pop on me. Then I'm gonna back this. Yeah. So I'm gonna place some of this dip. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Oh my Lord. We need some of these tortillas. Put them on the side. Let's take our chicken out of the rib. See that chicken is ready. As y'all can see, I'm taking it out now and it looks so doggone good. I love the way that dip came out. I'm gonna use that Velveeta cheese. I'm talking about the shredded kind. I'm gonna use that again. I never use that kind. I always use the kind that people really use. Okay, my video is 44 minutes, you guys. I'm gonna move this to the side because I don't want to burn. I'm about to show y'all the finished look. Then I'm gonna start frying my other chicken. So I'm gonna put this on here. That thigh. And I'm gonna put a leg on here. Yes, I blog my foods. Because I'm start sending my pictures to bloggers and magazines and stuff and see when they pick it up. So I always take a picture of my food. caught this. I didn't mean to catch that. I'm gonna have to delete that one. Okay. And this how it look, you guys. Rotel dip. You got your tortillas. You got your fried chicken. You put some hot sauce on that chicken if you want to. But you remember I put a little cayenne pepper in. Don't mean that I still eat a little Louisiana hot sauce or whatever kind of hot sauce you like. And put it on that chicken. You got your Rotel dip and your chips. And this a good meal to watch with your husband, your significant other, or you, or whatever. If you like sports, you watching sports, this is a good meal to eat when you watching the game or something like that, or anything. Yes, and that's how you do Rotel dip. That's how you make Rotel dip. Yep. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching me. Tuning in. I'm gonna finish frying this other chicken and getting everything together for my family. Like I said, go on YouTube and go to Diva Dishes Cooking Show and subscribe and hit the bell. You'll get notification every time that I'm posting a video. And I just want to thank y'all for showing me love and viewing my stuff. And peace out. I'm going to upload these videos tonight for you guys. Bye.